Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage affiliate marketing with Macy's, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Start by understanding what affiliate marketing is.
Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission for sales generated through your unique affiliate links.
Visit Macy's affiliate program webpage to gather information.
Sign up for the Macy's affiliate program through a reliable affiliate network, like Rakuten or CJ Affiliate.
Complete the application with your details, including your website or social media channels. Wait for your application to be reviewed and approved by Macy's. Once approved, access your affiliate dashboard.
In the dashboard, you'll find various tools and resources to help you promote Macy's products. Browse the product catalog to find items that align with your niche or audience.
Generate unique affiliate links for the products you choose to promote.
Consider creating engaging content that highlights these products. Write blog posts, create social media posts, or make videos featuring the products from Macy's. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content.
Use eye-catching visuals and persuasive language to capture your audience's attention. Track your performance using the analytics tools provided in your affiliate dashboard.
Monitor which products are selling and adjust your strategy accordingly.
Test different types of content to see what resonates best with your audience.
Build relationships with your audience based on trust and transparency.
Disclose your affiliate links to maintain credibility. Stay updated on Macy's promotions or seasonal sales to capitalize on trends.
Periodically review and refine your affiliate marketing strategy for better results.
Engage with your audience to foster loyalty and encourage them to click your links.
Evaluate your earnings regularly to assess your success and identify areas for improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.